Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got two boxes. I think this one is supposed to be really cool, nifty looking dresses. And then this is a random box of randomness. So we're going to find out what's in here. I spent $155. This is Amazon Overstock. So it should all be brand new. Never went to a customer. We're going to see what kind of condition it's in. We'll also be placing everything on hookedonpickin.com. So make sure you stay tuned to the end so you can see the prices of everything. Let's find out what's inside.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right. What should we're going to save the random for later. We're going to do some dresses first. See what kind of dresses we have. Will they be fancy ones? Will they be old-timey ones? Will they be prom dresses? Will they be...
Not supposed to be many.
All right, looks like they're all on hangers, which is super convenient. So that box is packed all the way to the brim. Actually, I'm going to pull this over here so that we can hang them up. All right. Oh my. Oh my. Okay.
So just on one hanger?
Well, it's like zip tied together.
Oh, okay.
So I'm trying to figure out how to do this here. I'm not smart. I just can't. Okay, this is just really long. All right, so we're going to do this. Maybe bring it over here. And we'll see what they look like. You know what? I'm just going to do this. That took way too long to get to the first dress. All right. Looks like a nice long evening gown. Ooh, it's got a train and everything. It's like homecoming dresses.
Or a bridesmaid dress, maybe?
Yeah, look at that.
Boom.
Has this got pockets in it? Yeah, it does. It's got a pocket here. This is a slit. And then there's like a short little dress underneath. So what size is this one? I'll have to give you all the sizes. No. Where the size is. Let's see what it says on this tag. This says just formal gown. 4, size 4. So that one is a size 4. I think. We'll look them up and make sure. All right, so we've got this one. I feel like this is not going to work well every dress. I feel very disorganized already. All right.
You want to take a moment, Heather, it's fine.
All right. This one.
It's got a tag on it. That one did.
3XL.
Boom.
So this one is a strapless top. You can see kind of the sweetheart neckline on this. No refund if tag is removed. So it's got extra straps. So if you wanted to do straps, I'm going to go ahead and do this. Look at that.
This will definitely have to show them later.
Yeah,
on,
I will show you like on a model. Yeah, look at that. It's pretty, isn't it?
That's cool.
Yeah.
Flowers?
Yeah, it's embroidered applique flowers.
These are probably prom dresses.
Yeah, I would say prom dresses, mother of the bride, bridesmaid dresses.
There was a lot of this in liquidation because of still leftover from 2020.
Yeah, because nobody could go to homecoming.
Yeah. And even weddings were a lot less.
Ooh, you know what? We've got homecoming in a couple weeks here. I could probably put some of these on Facebook Marketplace and sell them for good money, too.
Probably good.
So, or down at the store.
Potentially, yeah.
Look at that. This one is a 2XL, it says. I feel like that's not a 2XL. It's got one little strap. Just like that. I don't think this is a 2XL.
I have to double check size.
Yeah. I don't even see a tag in here. We'll figure it out. So that one's really super sparkly. Got a slit here.
Well, it is sparkly.
Yeah, very sparkly. All right, we'll set this over here. I'm just going to rebag them in my own bags. So, alrighty. What else? I'm walking on a bag. Like, get off me! It's attacking me. All right, this one. Yeah, this one.
Sparkly.
It is very sparkly.
Ooh, look at that.
Now this is clearly a mother of the bride dress.
Think so?
I feel like, yeah. It's pretty.
Yeah. Yeah, I could see that as Mother of the Bride. But
Yeah,
there might be some that would go homecoming with that.
maybe.
You could see homecoming.
Yeah.
Homecoming prom. What's that red tag inside?
Inside?
They
Oh,
give size.
it's the .com that it came from.
Oh. What was the size?
This one I don't think says a size. Yeah, unless they have the tags way down the dress.
Might be.
I'm gonna
the
take.
manifest might have it on it,
Yeah,
so at the end you could probably tell them.
yeah. It's hard for me to tell right now, but we can at least see how pretty they all are.
Are there some dresses that just they don't do sizes?
No, they always do a size in a dress. There, that will help. I'm gonna trip it on it. All right, here's another one. Ooh, velvety. Now, see, that one I don't think homecoming. I think this is more of just a traditional dress. It is a little fancier than a traditional,
I'm
but
thinking Jedi Knight cosplay.
Jedi Knight cosplay. This says medium for the size. Look at the cool
Doesn't
sleeves
look
on it.
like, it looks like Star Wars.
Yeah. Put your lightsaber.
Exactly.
Vroom, 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 vroom. So,
Good job,
yeah,
Heather.
just like that.
Well done.
Jedi Knight cosplay.
Sure. It's probably $1,000.
$1,000. All right.
Worn by Princess Leia.
Worn by Princess Leia, of course. Okay, here's another. Is this working for me to hang them here?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Okay, this one is backwards. Hold on. Bling bling. These are pants. That is a pantsuit, folks.
Boom.
Boom. Pantsuit. This is a size small. Because only a size small person should wear glittery
You
sequiny
can get
pants.
in that, Heather. No
Nope.
problem.
Nobody wants to see that.
I do.
You don't count.
I
You don't count in
count,
this.
Heather.
You don't count in that. All right. Ready? Here's another one. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Look at the cool.
It's royal.
It does look very royal. This one is a size medium. Boy, these are pretty. How come we didn't unbox these like
Yeah.
2 weeks ago
Yeah.
when we were looking for a homecoming dress for
Those are
Lexi?
pretty.
Yeah. Because that would have been a
looks
lot
nice.
cheaper than what I paid for her dress. All right. Another dress here. Let's see. I think that's backwards. We'll put it this way. Oh, nope, I had it right the first time. Look at that one. That skirt is cool. So it's all lacy on the top. And then it's got some ruffles. How cool is that?
Very cool. These
Yeah.
will look so much better when they're on the mannequins.
Yeah.
Or,
Yeah. But I don't
models.
see any rips or tears or anything in these, you know. They're in really great condition.
Yeah, I think
So,
this
yeah.
is just still left over from the 2020.
Probably.
So much of this stuff got liquidated.
What in the...
It's a long one.
It is a long one. Okay, hopefully I turn it the right way. That's very heavy.
Heavy mean expensive in dresses.
Sure, lots of fabric. Oh, it's a lot of tulle. It's like a mermaid
That.
style. This looks like a large size. Just by the way it's hanging. This is a mermaid ball gown dress. I don't see the size. But It's got crinoline and everything underneath it. So it's got all the poof in there. Here, let's pull that out. There we go. That's how it's supposed to look. Yeah. That one looks like at least a 2X, maybe a 3X.
Yeah.
At the very least, that one's cool.
Pretty.
Yep. I'm going to leave that one hung there just because I got the bottom of it out all nice and pretty. And then I'm going to just hang this over the top of it. This one goes like that. And then this one is a halter with a little peep neckline. And it's got a little like hint of lace here. So it's got like a short skirt and then it's got this long flowy sheer on this one. This one, what size is this? This one's a 2X. So, all right, that was the last dress. That was the last dress. So those are cool. So we're definitely going to get those priced and we'll put them on the website. So if you want to buy them. All right, let's see what else.
You'll show them also.
I'll show them at the very end again.
Yeah.
And I'll have all the exact sizes. I know a lot of them you're like, oh, I love that one. What was the size? And so, yeah, when we do the pricing, I will list the size. I will do all investigating needed to get the size. I have this piece of tape. Come on. Get off my finger. There. All right. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
These things are awesome.
Massage gun.
So this is a massage gun. Paul, actually, you have one of these.
I have one.
For his back. Yeah.
Yep.
So these work fantastic, and they're usually really expensive. Like, I think we bought one for your brother for Christmas for around $100.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll
That
definitely.
was the most expensive one. Some of them go up quite a bit.
Yeah, 2 or 3. But we'll see what we're gonna put on price wise for
That'll
this.
be a good one.
Yeah, it will be a good one.
2 hours plus of battery life. That's good.
Yeah.
That is good.
I know the one you have has really good battery life.
Yeah.
Yep. So, alrighty. So we're going to go ahead and price everything. Come right back. All right, we have got all of our beautiful dresses on our store, as you can see. You go straight to the Hooked on Pickin website, and then you go to shop, and then clothing, and all of the new homecoming dresses are available there, and they're various different sizes. So check them all out and see, is it your size? So what exactly do we have there? We have the Bonnie beaded lace embroidered prom dresses, mermaid formal ball gown with long sleeves. This is the one that had a lot of layers and poof on the bottom. Super cute. $75, and it is a size 12. Then we also have the strapless lace bead formal evening gown. It does come with a little strap if you wanted to add a little halter or something to the top. This one is also a size 12. Very beautiful, and they do have sizing charts on them. Then we have a ball gown prom dress, long satin off the shoulder, split formal evening gown. So it does have a little bit of a high slit, but it's got a skirt that goes down over this area. $79.99, and this one is a size 4. Then we have a woman's formal ruched ruffle evening prom maxi dress. So it's got the cute ruffle with the slit there, and it's got an illusion top end and then a sweetheart neckline underneath that illusion. $39.99, size medium. Then we have a women's 1920s style evening dress, formal beaded sequins, flapper prom ball gown, $39.99, and this one is a size large. Then we have a women's backless organza patchwork maxi dress, really, really cute with that fun different layers we have going on there, deep V-neck on there, and really pretty lace on the top end with a natural waist. $59.99, and this one is also a size large. Then we have a long sleeves flapper maxi wrap dress. This is the velvety one that we looked at. Very, very pretty. It's a size medium at $29.99. Then we have a plus size high-low lace halter cocktail dress. Really cute. So it's got kind of the shorter skirt underneath, but then it's got this beautiful overlay. Really, really pretty one. It's a 2XL. Then we have this teal one shoulder Grecian style sweetheart neckline metallic sparkle dress with a slit. Pallet. Got a lot of really pretty pictures there of that. $69.99 for that dress. And then last but not least, we have the Smart Massage Gun Percussive Therapy, $64. These are around $100 normally, and so comes with a hard carry case and all the attachments, $64.99. So hopefully you guys really enjoyed all of the things that we unboxed today. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.